Hello, this is Eric Garrett with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management for the San Francisco Bay Area. We're right now at 3502 Brookdale here in Oakland, California. And we are entering into this top floor, one bedroom apartment. Look at this. Huge amount of space, double pane windows. You can see, I closed the door. I don't know if you notice how much quieter it got. There's ceiling fans. Closet to the right. Here's a great little area for a kitchen table. Again, double pane windows, window treatments. Here we have a gorgeous kitchen. Looks like it's been recently remodeled or renovated. Electric range, and sink, and refrigerator, lots of cabinet space. All right, and there's, of course, also a garbage disposal there. Okay, so again, spacious kitchen, double pane windows, just wooden floors. Again, the closet right there. Let me just open this up for you so you can appreciate how the size. And then here's the bedroom. Again, this is another very sizable room. This overlooks looks out to the balcony. And one of the things that's really nice about this apartment is the amount of closet space. So you can see this one goes in pretty deeply, and this one is very wide. So again, this is a walk-in closet, and then for linens. And then here we go for the bathroom. All sparkling new tub shower combination, and then again, well lit. All right, let us know if you have any questions about this apartment. We are showing it, and we'd love for you to move in and enjoy it, because this is definitely a very beautiful unit. All right, cheers, bye-bye.